Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine. In today's video, we're going to be doing a detailed tour of the Palace of Versailles. The Palace of Versailles actually happens to be 12 miles outside of Paris, so you can always rent a car or take a tour to come up here. This palace actually is really cool because they have so many royal things for you to see and take pictures of. And they also happen to have a souvenir shop. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'll be doing a review of some of the stuff that I bought at the souvenir shop, which is actually really cool. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think if you've been to Palace of Versailles. I will be filming almost every room at Palace of Versailles, so this will be a very detailed video. So in this Palace of Versailles is where Louis XIV used to live. This is a beautiful palace. To go inside the palace, it's about 18 euros. And I read online that it's free for kids under 18. So that's pretty cool. Look at the line. Hey guys, so we are doing the line at Versailles. And if you don't buy your tickets online, you're looking at doing that line over there to buy your tickets. And then this line to go in. Good thing we bought our tickets online. So I highly recommend that you guys buy your tickets online and come prepared. Oh, this is one big palace, guys. Just a little replica of it. Beautiful gardens. Hey guys, so these are the gardens. They're very beautiful. It's actually a separate fee to come into the gardens because this is like a really big garden, and it's 11 euros. So it was 18 euros to go see inside the palace and see all the artwork and sculptures, but to see the gardens you got to pay an extra fee, which is 11 euros. This is what I'm going to record for you guys for the gardens, but I've heard they're beautiful. I'll try to get some pictures to show you guys the gardens. Let me know if you guys have ever been to Paris and if you paid for the gardens, if you thought it was worth it, or if you thought it was better to see the gardens than seeing the palace inside. Let me know what you guys think. Which one is better? We did the palace inside, but I didn't feel like paying 11 euros just to go see the garden. This is the palace right here. It's beautiful. Hey guys, so there's a souvenir store at Palace de Versailles. This is what we got there, and I just wanted to show it to you guys so that way you guys can check that out and see if you were interested in buying some of this stuff. This is actually a cream of Marie Antoinette. It's actually a hand lotion. Let me open it up for you guys. This is the lotion of Marie Antoinette, and I tried it on and my hands feel so soft. I have to say this is by far the best lotion I've ever used in my life because my hands just, I don't know, they just feel so amazing. Let me try to open it so that way you guys can see the content inside. See? I'm gonna put some on so that way you guys can see. Wow, it's just the cream itself feels like something totally different from normal lotions that I wear. I wear a lot of Victoria's Secret lotions or Bath and Body Works, but this just feels like, I don't know, like I'm using butter in my hands, and it makes my hands feel extremely soft. I love it. I highly recommend it. Marie Antoinette. Well, it has to be good if it was for Marie Antoinette. And this is also a little soap that we bought as a souvenir, and it smells delicious. I love it. It has an awesome smell. It smells so delightful. And the price on this was 8.90 euros. And the lotion, if I'm not mistaken, I think the lotion was like 10 euros. And then this is something else we bought. We thought it was so cute. It's a little cart. Like what they used to travel back in the day. I think it's so cute. And the car, this is a picture of it right here. The car was, let me see if there's a price here. I think this car was about like 20 to 40 euros. I can't remember the exact price, but it was around there. It was about 20 to 40 euros. My husband was the one that paid for it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys some of the things that I bought in France, in Palace of Versailles. I highly recommend, especially this lotion, man. It makes my hands feel so soft. I love it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.